pre-existing health conditions or any concerns about riding this ride, please do not ride and speak with a 8 inches or taller to ride this ride. Junior explorers between 30 and
Took a short break for lunch, but now we're back.
Hands up, hands up.
Welcome to Rescue Racing, where you will race through 1,300 feet of track to aid safe rescue.
Here we go.
Please meet rider requirements prior to boarding. If you are pregnant, have neck, back, or problem, any pre-existing health conditions, or any concerns about riding this ride, please do not ride.
It's a good thing we're neither of those things. That means we can ride.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Whoa! Actually really fun. Wow. Whoa! Another sneaky air type moment. Whoa! Whoa!
That's impressive. I mean, considering these are the same people that made Runaway Tram. Wow. This is a significant improvement.
From back here, exiting to your left-hand side.